Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Tips channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy to see you all again. Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today. Every time we meet, we learn something new and exciting. That's right, Lily. Learning English doesn't have to be boring or difficult. If we use fun ways like stories, conversations, and games, we can enjoy every single step. Exactly. Many people think English is hard, but it's not. You just need to practice a little every day. Listen to English songs, watch short videos, and speak, even if you make mistakes. Emma, tip number 4, write something daily. A short diary, your thoughts, or a list of new words you learned. Writing helps you remember better. And finally, tip number 5, enjoy the process. Don't rush, don't stress. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Yes, enjoy every moment and celebrate small improvements. One day you'll realize how far you've come. Exactly. So keep learning, keep smiling, and never give up. Yes, making mistakes is totally okay. That's how we learn. When I first started learning English, I made so many mistakes, but I didn't stop. I kept going, and now I can speak fluently. Wow, that's inspiring, Emma. I think a lot of our viewers feel the same. Sometimes they're shy or afraid to speak. But remember, everyone, confidence is the key. Don't be afraid to try. That's a great point, Lily. Learning English is like learning to ride a bicycle. The more you practice, the better you get. Haha, yes! And even if you fall, you just get up and try again. Exactly. Let's share some quick tips with our viewers to help them improve faster. Okay, tip number 1, read something in English every day. It could be a short story, a message, or even your favorite song lyrics. Good one. Tip number 2, listen carefully. You can watch English cartoons, movies, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Listening helps you understand pronunciation and rhythm. Tip number 3, speak out loud. Talk to your friends, or even talk to yourself in English. It might sound funny, but it really helps you build confidence. Tip number 4, write something daily. A short diary, your thoughts, or a list of new words you learned. Writing helps you remember better. And finally, tip number 5, enjoy the process. Don't rush, don't stress. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Yes, enjoy every moment and celebrate small improvements. One day, you'll realize how far you've come. Exactly. So keep learning, keep smiling, and never give up. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English channel for more fun lessons like this one. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. Keep practicing and stay positive.